Butter pecan is one of those flavors that sounds amazing, but doesn't always deliver. A lot of times it leans more sweet than anything else, but what really makes this flavor stand out is that deep, nutty richness, and that's what we're focusing on today. We're starting with brown butter and then building from there. Let me show you how to make it. We'll start with chopping about a cup of pecans. Rough chop is fine, you really want different sizes. In a skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and let it cook until it turns golden and develops that warm, nutty aroma. Add the chopped pecans and let them toast in that butter so they absorb all that delicious buttery flavor. Strain the pecans and reserve the butter with all the bits and set aside. For the base, add 1 cup half and half, 2 cups of heavy cream, then half a cup of sweetener. I'm using an allulose blend, 3 tablespoons non-fat milk powder, add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of vodka. This is an optional ingredient. You can omit it if you don't have it or if you prefer not to use it. We use it because it helps keep the ice cream scoopable. Mix until smooth. Once everything is blended smoothly, add in the brown butter, including all of those flavorful bits. Chill the mixture thoroughly, then churn it until it reaches a soft, creamy consistency. Add in the toasted pecans right at the end of the churn or when you scoop it into your container. I like to save a few to top my ice cream before I freeze it. You'll want to freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight for best scoopable consistency. This is what you're looking for: smooth, creamy, and with a little crunch. You can find the full recipe in the description below. We like to use allulose, which helps keep the texture soft and scoopable straight from the freezer. But if you prefer using regular sugar, you can absolutely do that. This recipe is flexible and will work beautifully with real sugar. The goal isn't to eliminate sweets, it's to find a way to enjoy them that works better for you. And if you're experimenting with sweeteners, I put together a simple guide. You can grab it using the QR code on the screen. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider subscribing. We share recipes like this every week, simple ingredients, flexible approach, and a smarter way to enjoy what you already love.